Okay. So, this is the first topic for the second quarter. So, it's all about linear inequality. Okay, before we start with our topic, so let us review first about this symbol. So, you're going to match the given symbol to word at the column B. So, we're going to match the given symbol. So, this is the terminologies of that symbol. Anyone, what is the first symbol? Okay, the first symbol is less than. How about the second one? Yes, Conchada. Okay, very good. Greater than or equal to. The third one, Monares. Less than or equal to. Next. Stand up. Okay, greater than. And the last one. Okay, so the last one is equal. So this time, class, we're going to use that symbol to differentiate between linear equation and linear inequality. So our topic is all about difference between linear equality or what we call linear equation. They are equal, huh? And versus linear inequality. Okay, so let us recall first about linear equation in two variables. Again, a linear equation in two variables can be written in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are all real numbers. A and b is not equal to 0. And the graph of a linear equation is always a straight line. Okay, a linear equation can be written in three forms. So what are those? The general form, the standard form, and the slope-intercept form. So when we say linear equation or linear equality, what is the root word of equality? Equal. So meaning, gagamit tayo ng symbol na equal. Kapag may equal, meaning this, the given expression is an example of linear equality or linear equation. Pag may equal sign, meaning the given expression is an example of linear equality. Okay, how about the linear inequality? Okay, a linear inequality in two variables can be written in one of the four forms. Ito yun. Okay, where a, b, c, and are all real numbers, a and b is not equal to 0. So we can write the linear inequality as ax plus by is greater than c. Ano yung inequality symbol na ginamit? Okay, very good. Greater than. O, ano yung pangalawa? Kindly read. Basahin ng sabay-sabay. Ax plus by is less than c. And what is the inequality symbol? Okay, less than. How about the third one? Ax plus by is greater than or equal to c. And the inequality symbol is greater than or equal to. And the last one is ax plus by is less than or equal to c. Okay, so meaning class, we can identify if the given expression is an example of linear inequality if we can use that symbol. So meaning, kapag nakakita tayo ng greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, therefore, the given expression is an example of linear inequality. Isa lang ang tatandaan sa linear equation, ano? Equal sign. The rest, kapag inequality, then the given is an example of linear inequality in two variables. Do you understand? Okay, so example of linear equation. So we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Ano yung symbol na ginamit? Equal. Another is x minus y is equal to negative 16. Okay, so example of linear inequality. Okay, we have 2x plus 3y is less than 13. Ano yung inequality symbol na ginamit? Less than. The second one, x minus y is greater than or equal to 16. Madali lang pong tandaan yan kung kayo ay nakikinig. So this time class, you're going to sort the given expression. Okay, if it is a linear equation for letter A, then linear inequality for letter B. Okay, the first expression is 5x plus y is greater than 13. Or anyone, what do you think? It is a linear equation or linear inequality? Another hand? Yes, Iho. Stand up, anak. Linear inequality. Very good. Letter B. Or the second one. Anyone who wants to answer? O, titingnan lang. Kapag may equal sign, anong tawag doon? Linear equation. So, that is linear equation or linear equality. Kapag naman ganito class, this is linear inequality. Magkaiba class ha. Ito, equality. Equality. Kapag equal sign. Kapag naman ganitong symbol, linear inequality. Do you understand? Okay, again, the second one. Read first the given expression, then identify whether it is a linear equation or linear inequality. Talib. Is equal to? Oh, what is your answer? Very good. Linear equation. The third one. Another hand. Oh, yes, Iho. Is greater than or equal to? Oh, what is your answer? Okay, linear inequality. Bakit? Kasi gumamit ng anong symbol yan? Greater than or equal to. Andito siya kay inequality. Okay, next. Another hand. O, Iha at the back. 4x. O, read. Is less than or equal to. Okay, 17. O, what's your answer? Inequality. Okay, next. Iho. Is equal to ano? 2. Oh, what is your answer? Linear equation or linear inequality? Okay, linear equation. Next, oh, last number. Oh, Arans. Oh, read first. Is less than. Oh, what is your answer? Linear inequality. Do you understand? Any question? Okay, so this time class, we're going to translate naman. Translate the given verbal phrases to mathematical phrases. By the way, we're going to memorize this terminologies. Okay, the first symbol is, we can read this as greater than. Another term for that is more than and exceeds. Okay, the second one, o commonly, paano siya binabasa? Less than. And another is fewer than. The third one. I'll read this. Okay, greater than or equal to. Another, no less than or at least. And the last one is less than or equal to. Another, no more than or at most. Oh, remember that words, ha? Okay, because we're going to translate the given verbal phrases to mathematical phrases. Okay, number 1. The given sentence is, the sum of the number x and y is 24. Or anyone, what do you think is the mathematical phrases of that? Conchada? Very good. Ano yung operation na binanggit? Sum. Ano ba yung sum? Plus. Sino daw ang ipa-plus? Si x at y. Okay, pag nakakita kayo class ng word na is, meaning equal yun. So, meaning, the operation is, or the mathematical expression is, x plus y is equal to 24. Or how about the second one? The sum of the number x and y is greater than 24. O, Munares.
X plus y greater than.
Is greater than. O, paano yung symbol nun? Pag ganon o pag ganon? Okay. So, x plus y is greater than 24. O, how about for number 2? The number x decrease by y is 24. Laura, tama na? O, answer. Okay, when we say decrease, minus or subtraction. Pag increase, addition yan, ha? Okay, number 2 here. A number x decreased by y is less than 24. Francisco. Ayan. Okay, x plus y is less than 24. How about for number 3? The sum of twice. What is twice? 2. The sum of twice a number x and thrice. What is thrice? 3. A number y is 30. Anyone, what do you think is the mathematical phrases of that statement? Sige, Conchada, write your answer on the board. Do you think his answer is correct? Yeah. Okay, yes. So the answer is 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. How about the second one? The sum of thrice a number x and twice a number x and thrice a number y is at least. Ano yung at least? Nabasa natin kanina. Anong symbol kaya yon? Iha, write your answer on the board. Okay, so very good. When we say at mo or at least, greater than or equal to. Next, number 4. Twice a number x decreased by thrice a number y. Iho. Okay, very good. We have 2x minus 3y is equal to 30. And the last number. Iha. Okay, very good. So, any question, class, about translating verbal phrases to mathematical phrases? Okay, do you understand how to identify if the given expression is a linear equation or a linear inequality? Ano lang ang tatandaan natin? Pag linear equation, ano yung symbol na ginamit? Yes, equal sign. Kapag linear inequality, those are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, any question? Okay, this time get 1/4.